Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Workjam app functions and whether it's a practical tool for employee scheduling, communication, and task management in hourly work environments like retail, hospitality, and healthcare. Workjam is built to help companies streamline how they manage their frontline workforce. Once an employer invites you to the platform, employees can use the app to view schedules, pick up shifts, swap them with coworkers, and request time off. Notifications ensure that any changes are immediately communicated, reducing the chances of missed shifts or confusion. Beyond scheduling, Workjam is known for its communication tools. Employers can send announcements, assign tasks, and even provide training modules or surveys all in one place. Employees can mark tasks as complete, interact with team members, and stay informed about updates from their organization. The app is designed to eliminate the need for multiple systems by combining scheduling, communication, and training into one platform. Managers benefit from Workjam's workforce orchestration features. They can monitor team activity in real time, fill open shifts, assign tasks based on role or location, and collect feedback. The app also helps with compliance by tracking hours and ensuring labor laws are followed, depending on how the organization sets it up. However, some users report issues like delayed loading times, occasional syncing problems, or limited customization depending on how the employer configures the app. The overall experience is highly dependent on how a company sets up their Workjam instance, which can vary widely between organizations. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.